Hello students and welcome to Toppscholars. Today we'll be talking about another very interesting topic, that is local defense system. Let us first talk about the protective mechanical barriers seen in the human body. Students, one of the best barrier between the organisms outside and our human body is our skin. The skin is the outer layer of the body. It is tough and impermeable to various germs, and it does not allow the entry of germs inside the body. Okay students, other than skin, we also have hair. Students, the hairs also help to trap and restrict the entry of germs. A very good example are the nasal hair, that is, the hair present in the nostrils trap the germs and filter the air which is going inside. Okay students, moving on, next we have mucus. Students, mucus is the slimy secretion of certain mucus secreting epithelial cells. This secretion is present in the nasal passage and also in the windpipe. Due to this secretion, students, it traps the bacteria as it is sticky. Yes, it traps the bacteria and does not allow them to enter the body tissues. Eventually, these trapped bacteria are thrown out of the body by the constant movement of the cilia. Okay students, so how does it work? First, the mucus traps the bacteria, and then the cilia, by beating constantly in one direction, throw out the bacteria from the body. Moving on students, let us now see the direct method to throw out germs. It helps to throw out pathogens present in the digestive and the respiratory tract. What are these direct methods? The very first one is coughing, and the second one is sneezing. If you notice students, these are methods which are used by the respiratory tract to throw out pathogens directly. Similarly, in case of the digestive tract, we have direct methods like vomiting and diarrhea which throw out the pathogens.
To learn more about this topic, download Toppscholars app.